Hello, how to evaluate with a calculator? This is 3 power 15 minus 1. Now, we are going to express this 16 as summation of 10 and 5. This is 3 power 10 plus 5, then we have minus 1. Now we consider this identity, a power n plus n equals a power n times a power n. So we have 3 power 10 times 3 power 5 minus 1. Now the next step is to find the value of 3 power 10. 3 power 10 will simply give us 3 power 5 times 2. And also, if you consider this identity, if you have a power n times n, this is a power n or to the power of n. So applying that here, we have 3 power 5 or to the power of 2. What then is the value of 3 power 5? 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So from here, you have 9, 27, 81. This is 243. So what we have here is simply, this is 243 raised to the power of 2, because 3 power 5 is 243. Then we have power 2 here, as I have it here, times this also is 243. Then we have minus 1. Have you seen that? So we need to find the value of this 243 power 2. So we have 243 times 243, that is 243 power 2. So let's multiply this out. 3 times 3, 9, 3 times 4, 12, 2 carry over 1. 3 times 2, 6 plus 1, that is 7. 4 times 3, that is 12, 2 carry over 1. 4 times 4, 16 plus 1, 17 carry over 1. 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 3, we have 6. 2 times 4, we have 8. 2 times 2, we have 4. Then we add. So adding everything together, this is 9, this is 4. 7 plus 7, 14 plus 2, this is 20. 0 carry over 2, add to 9, 11 plus 8, 19, 9 carry over 1. Okay, 594, 9. So this is 594, 9 times 243 minus 1. So let's multiply this out first before we subtract it from 1 and get our final answer. So what we have is simply 594, 9 times 243. That's multiplication. So let's start. 3 times 9, that is 27. 7 carry over 2. 3 times 4, 12 plus 2, 14. 4 carry over 1. 3 times 0, 0 plus 1, that's 1. 3 times 0 is 0, so 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 times 9 again, 27. 7 carry over 2. 3 times 5, 15. 15 plus 2, you have 17. We proceed to 4. 4 times 9, that is 36. 6 carry over 3. 4 times 4, 16 plus 3, 19. 9 carry over 1. 4 times 0, 0, 0 plus 1, we have 1. 4 times 9, 36. 6 carry over what? 3. 4 times 5, 20, 20 plus 3, we have 23. So we proceed to 2. We have 2 times 9, that is 18. 8 carry over 1. 2 times 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 9, 8 carry over 1, that is 18. 8 carry over 1. And 2 times 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. So we add up together, everything together. This is 7. This is 10. 0 carry over 1 out here. 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 11 plus 8. That is 19. So 9 carry over 1 out here. 8. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 8 carry over 1 out here. 8. 8 plus 6, 14. So you have 4 carry over 1 out here. 2. 2 plus 5, 3, 5. 5 plus 8, that is 30. 5 plus 8 is 30. 3 carry over 1 out here. That is 3. 3 plus 1, you have 4, and you have 1. Right? And remember, there is 1 here minus 1. Remember this, we had minus 1 here. So you are going to subtract 1 from this. So your final answer will be 1434890. 7 minus 1, that is 6906. So your final answer for 3 power 15 minus 1 is 14,348,906. So guys, this is it. Step-by-step method of solving this without wasting time doing anything. We just do it without time wasting time of using calculator.